So let's set up a basic monorepo using Lerna. Before that, what we need to do is we need to check we have node version installed, we have git installed, right? These two things we have. And now what we will do is we can also check the npm version. We have it. We will just install Lerna. Okay, we are installing this package globally, and then we will just do Lerna init to initialize our repository. So Lerna is installed. We can just simply do Lerna init in the same code. So it has created package.json, gitignore, and Lerna JSON, and it is installing the dependencies. Now we can just open this inside our VS Code. So this is our code. You can see it has package.json. What different thing you see in this package.json is this workspace. It is saying that everything which is getting added inside a packages will be considered a part of a workspace. Dependencies, dev dependency only the Lerna. This is our Lerna JSON. Okay, gitignore file, package.json, and log file. So let's create some packages. First of all, I will just create a utils. Let's create a packages folder, and then we will just we'll go inside that package, and we will do npm init initialize one package.json, and put the package name. So here you can see packages inside the utils. We have packages.json created, right? So this is like one package. Similarly, you can create the other packages. Here I can create an index.js file inside utils. Which contains just a simple code. Similarly, I have created an API package. API in utils. API also has its own package.json. And index.js, just put a console.log that this is the function from Monorepo API. Okay, and this is the utility function console.log from Monorepo utils. So this is the basic monorepo. What do you see in this monorepo? That we have packages. Inside this we can create all our assets, utility, library, helpers, and all. And inside a package.json we have already declared that all the monorepo will be part of this workspace. Let's try to understand this very important part, workspace and the packages, right? So the workspace, which is nothing but an array of packages. So what is this? This is a configuration which is used in the npm and in the yarn workspace to manage the multiple packages inside a monorepo. So there are two things. You might get confused that I'm talking about monorepo and a workspace. They both work together hand in hand. These workspaces are actually used to manage the dependencies. So the workspace, this is actually an array that tells npm and yarn which directory contains the packages. Okay, I got the packages folder which contains the packages. Packages /star. This means that all the folders inside these packages, you can create n number of folders inside this. Those are considered as individual packages. So your folder structure is something like this. If I just talk about our folder structure contains something like this. This is our monorepo packages. There can be multiple packages. So with this setup, the API and utils are separate packages in the monorepo, and npm and yarn. I mean, you can be using either a workspace, pnpm, npm, or a yarn workspace that will be used to manage the dependencies between them. So we are still using like npm install. We are using npm as a dependency manager. So we will be using npm, pnpm, yarn for managing the dependencies across these different packages.